Hello everyone, I am Dr. Abha Kumari. Today we will discuss a chapter matrices from ISC second year. So let us first understand what we mean by the matrix. So a rectangular array of numbers, mn numbers. Okay, is called matrix of order m by n. So what we mean by this rectangular array? Suppose we have a element, okay, and we have to arrange that elements in a box, such as this box. So this is a rectangular array, and here we will define the numbers in horizontal or in vertical lines. So the elements which we define in a horizontal line, suppose we have A11, A12, A13. Again it is a first row, so we have write it here A11, A12, A13. Now this is what the first, so let us write A21, A22, A23. Next we write A31, A32, A33. So here we write 3 cross 3. Okay, so here we have written mn. Mn means m into n. So if we have a m into n, that is 3 into 3, then what we have? 9. That means we have total number of elements in this rectangular array will be 9. And the arrangement of the element is, this is known as the first cell, first row, okay, second column. This one is the first row, third column. Here it is known as the column, and this one is known as a row. If we will come to the A21, then we will say this one is the second row, but first column, that's why we will write here A21. That means the second row and the first column. Similarly, we write here the A22, that is second row and second column. That means here this 3 cross 3 will represent m, and this will represent your n. M will use for the number of rows, and n is used for the number of columns. Okay, so each of the mn consisting the matrix is called the element or an entry of the matrix. That's why we have written here A11. So A11 is the element of this matrix of order 3 cross 3. Okay, so in this matrix, if we put the name of this matrix as A, then we say that the matrix A has 3 row and 3 column. Okay, and what about the element of the first row and first column? Then we say that A11, first row and first column. If we have written here A11, then this one is your row and this one is your column. So this one is known as first row, first column element, and the element is A11. Suppose we have taken a matrix of the form 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay, so what is the order of this matrix? So order of this matrix is 2 cross 2. Why 2 cross 2? Because here is 1 and then 2 column. First, second. Sorry, this first row, this is second row. Now this one, first column, and this is your second column. Fine. So here we have A as 2 cross 2 matrix. So here A is 2 cross 2 matrix having 2 rows and 2 columns. Okay. So if we will ask what is the element of first row second column, that is 1, 2. First row second column. So this is what? 3. So we will write this one is not of A12. We will write it as A12 equals to 3. That means मैट्रिक्स ए के फर्स्ट रो के सेकेंड कॉलम का जो एलिमेंट है वो क्या है? 3. तो मैट्रिक्स ए के फर्स्ट रो के सेकेंड कॉलम का एलिमेंट है आपका यहाँ पे 3. सो वी विल राइट इट लाइक दिस. सो इफ दिस सिक्वेंसली वी कैन राइट, then A11 is 2, A12 is 3, A21 is 4, and A22 is 6. Okay, that means here the matrix A has 4 elements. Total number of elements is 1, 2, 3, 4. So matrix A has 4 elements and order is 2 cross 2. Again it is 4. Okay, 2 cross 2. This way it is 4. Thank you.